Here live about to the 2013 Bowman Chrome football 2-box break from eBay. 4 autograph cards and 1 relic card in each box. Factory sealed. Got the list with everybody's name. Make sure it's all right. Give everyone a minute or two to get here. Make sure more people are here. I also have a 2-box mixer for NBA. $10 a spot. It's random. If you're interested, just message me on eBay. Alright, I'm going to start going ahead and open these up. Good luck. These packs are thick. Okay. So the base rookies: Ezekiel Ansah, Kasim Green, Nico Johnson, Mike Gillingsley, Chris Harper, Aaron Mellett, Logan Ryan, Sharif Floyd, some black border Deion Sims are numbered, Dennis Johnson, Spencer Ware, got a gold border Stephon Taylor, numbered to 399, and that's a nice card. Mikel LaShore, Jermichael Finley, veteran, Kenny Stills, rookie, Brian Hartline. We got a mini EJ Manuel. That's nice. We got a hit coming up. Got DeMarco Murray jersey card. Numbered to, not numbered. That goes to Brian. Nice hit. Got some more base cards. And McFadden, Vic Ballard, Arian Foster, AJ Green, Rob Gronkowski. Robert Lester, rookie, Arthur Brown, Jordan Poyer, Terrence Williams, Keenan Allen, Jonathan Hankins, D. Milner, Dante Jones, Stedman Bailey, Connor Vernon, Kevin Minter, Philip Lutzenkirchen, Arian Foster, AJ Green. Got a blue border Tyler Wilson. It's to $4.99. Jared Allen, veteran. Keenan Allen mini. Frank Gore die cut. Dominican Sue, Richard Sherman, Curley, Jarvis Green Ellis, Pierre Garcon, Peterson, Drew Brees. Lattimore rookie, Ray Graham, Fourier, Wheaton, Dysert, Swope, Jokel, Reed, Sam Montgomery, Teo, Kenny Stills, Denard Robinson, Des Bryant, Phillip Rivers, Sam Montgomery. Got a J.J. Watt border. 75. It's a nice card. Chase Thomas. And we got another hit. It's a Matt Elam. That's a nice card right there on card. It goes to the Ravens. Brandon Tippy. Nice hit. Del Rivas, Steve Johnson, Gresham, Brown, Cecil Shorts, Jamal Charles, and Pierre Paul. Brandon Jenkins, Joseph Randall, Mike Glennon, Robert Woods, Hopkins, Sheldon Richardson, Starley Watui, Alec Okafor, Eric Fisher, black border, Mingo, black border, Jenkins, Lattimore, Cam Newton, Larry Fitzgerald, Poyer, gold border. It's a $3.99. AJ Jenkins, or AJ Green, Kevin Minter, small, got another hit coming up. Brandon Jenkins. I'll have to look up to where he goes. Brian Hartline, Jeremy Macklin, Nick Fairley, Jared Allen, Vincent Jackson, Robert Quinn, and Russell Wilson. David Amerson, TJ McDonald, Kenny Vaccaro, Stedman Bailey, Connor Vernon, Kevin Minter, Philip Lutzenkirchen, Kerwin Williams. You got black borders, Sean Williams, Zach Line, Lonnie Pryor, Jawan Jameson, T.Y. Hilton, Roethlisberger. Deion Sims with a sort of blue border. That's to 99. Darren McFadden. Small Mike Illingsley. Then we got a glittery refractor Navarro Bowman. No number on it. This is a nice card. Jordy Nelson, Julio Jones, Mike Williams, Colin Kaepernick, Wagner, Des Bryant, Phillip Rivers. Alright, that Jenkins goes to the Redskins. So that'll go to S. Rayleigh. I'll have to double check, but I'm sure that's it. Thanks for the help. Alright, I got Deion Jordan, Giovanni Bernard, Eddie Lacy, Derek Rogers, Christine Michael, Chris Gage, Rex Burkhead, Alec Ogletree, some black, Ray Graham, Joseph Fourier, Marcus Wheaton. We got a green Robert Lester to 99. Chris Long, Marshawn Lynch, Denard Robinson, Gronkowski, Mini Fourier, and then a Dez die cut. It's not numbered. Some Bay Stafford, Wright, J.J. Watt, Trent Richardson, Joe Flacco, Reggie Wayne, and RG3. A lot of base in these packs. Let's see, Pat, Ryan Nassib, Xavier Rhodes, Geno Smith, Jarvis Jones, Nickel Roby, Tyrann Mathieu, Le'Veon Bell, rookie, E.J. Manuel, Matt Elam, Tyler Wilson. Got a blue Tyrann Mathieu, $4.99. Andy Dalton, black border, Tom Brady, Manti Te'o, Vic Ballard, and a mini Robert Lester. You got a Maurice Jones-Drew die cut, 99. T.Y. Hilton, Roethlisberger, Andy Dalton, Tom Brady, Demaryius Thomas, Victor Cruz, and Michaela Shore. Still got a couple hits left in here. DJ Harper, Quentin Patton, Andre Ellington, Zach Ertz, Tyler Eifert, Jonathan Banks, Borjan Warner, Desmond Trufant, Zach Dysert, Ryan Swope, Luke Jokel, Eric Reed, Michael Crabtree, Jason Witten. Got a nice orange $2.99 Eric Reed. That's nice. Jeremy Maclin, black border. Small Rick Burkhead. A glitter Zach Line, fullback. Got Clay Matthews, Matt Ryan, James Laurinaitis, Navarro Bowman, David Wilson, Chris Johnson, Andre Johnson. Two more packs in this box. Aaron Dobson, Landry Jones, Jordan Reed, Tavares King, Sean Renfree, Kevin Escobar, Demontre Moore, Matt Barkley, Black Jesse Williams, Chance Warmack, Justin Hunter, Tyler Bray, Demaryius Thomas, Victor Cruz, a blue Le'Veon Bell. That's nice. $4.99. Black Arian Foster, small Jordan Poyer. Oh, that's nice right there. 101 printing plate. Joseph Fourier. That's going to the Lions. He picked up that. Josh Rose. Nice hit, bud. Jermichael Finley, Cam Newton, Larry Fitzgerald, Chris Long, Marshawn Lynch, Michael Crabtree, and Jason Witten. Monte Ball, Kai Rambo, Matt Scott, Kenyon Barner, Brad Sorensen, Colin Klein, Miguel Monset, Marquise Goodwin, Black David Amerson, TJ McDonald, Kenny Vaccaro, Gold Brad Sorensen, $3.99. Darren McFadden, Vic Ballard, Sean Williams, Nick Fairley. Got a Nile Davis, Small Chiefs. Christian Michael, the 50 autograph on card, orange border. That's nice. Then got to the Seahawks. Castaway cards. Nice hit. Josh Gordon, Ray Rice, Cameron Wake, Justin Blackman, Forte, Christian Ponder, and Josh Freeman. Alright, that's box number 1. Got some nice hits in there. 101 out of 50. I'll try to pull you a Tavon. Okay, Carvis Mingo, John Jenkins, Marcus Lattimore, Ray Graham, Joseph Fourier, Marcus Wheaton, Zach Dysert, Ryan Swope, Kerwin Williams, Cordell Patterson, Ryan Nassib, Xavier Rhodes, Eli Manning, Jimmy Graham. Got Stedman Bailey, orange border, $2.99. Pierre Garcon, Andre Johnson, the nice sparkle. Okay. Alright, we have one of the NFLPA Collegiate Bowl autographs. I'll have to do a random for that afterwards because No team goes with that, so do a random for that one. Christian Ponder, Josh Freeman, Adamnik Sue, Richard Sherman, Curly. And the mini was Christian Michael. The basketball boxes, I'm going to put them up on eBay tonight. They're Crusade and Court Kings. Random spot, $10 a spot. Trying to get it in for the finals. Got Jesse Williams, Chance Womack, Justin Hunter, Tyler Bray, Deion Sims, Dennis Johnson, Spencer Ware, Eric Fisher. Black Stedman Bailey, Connor Vernon, Kevin Minner, Philip Lechtensteiner, Calvin Johnson, Alfred Morris, Ray Graham, and Ben Jarvis, Green Ellis. Got a hit coming up. Ryan Swope was the mini. Hit Jarvis Jones, 11 out of 50. That one's going to the Steelers. Who picked them up? Wolfer 10. It's out of 50. That's nice. Chris Johnson, Andre Johnson, Josh Gordon, Ray Rice, Cameron Wake, Blackman, Matt Forte. Got Tyron Matthew, Le'Veon Bell, Aaron Dobson, Landry Jones, Jordan Reed, Tavares King, Sean Renfree, Gavin Escobar, Jordan Reed, Tavares King, Sean Renfree, a blue Ray Graham, number to 499. Matt Schaub, Eric Decker, Marcus Wheaton, Jacquizz Rogers, small Kenny Vaccaro, and the relic is Mike Williams, Tampa Bay, out of 50. It's a nice hit. That one's going to B. Tippy. Sam Bradford, Peyton Manning, Jones Drew, Polamalu, and Hernandez. You got a Logan Ryan, Sharif Floyd, Brandon Jenkins. Yeah, there he is. Redskins. Joseph Randall, Mike Glennon, Robert Woods, Hopkins, Sheldon Richardson, Kasheem Green, Nico Johnson, Mike Illingsley, Orange, John Simon. Is that a $2.99? Roddy White, Darrell Washington, Zach Dysert, Brandon Marshall. Mini is Ryan Nassib. You got a Ryan Tannehill, die cut out of 99. Jimmy Graham, Frank Gore, Rudolph, Stephen Ridley, Torrey Smith, Schaub, and Decker. For that auto, the collegiate player, I'm going to put everybody into random.org. I'll randomize it 5 times. Who's ever on top will get it. Got DeMontre Moore, Matt Barkley, Ezekiel Ansah, Kasheem Green, Nico Johnson, Mike Illingsley, Chris Harper, Aaron Mellett, Gavin Escobar, DeMontre Moore, Matt Barkley, Ezekiel Ansah, Sean McCoy, Aaron Rodgers, a blue, Zach Dysert, $4.99, DeMarco Murray, DeAndre Hopkins mini. Wow. On card, Joseph Fourier. So we got the printing plate and the card. It's going out to Josh. Nice. Ryan Tannehill, Ryan Matthews, Patrick Peterson, Luke Kuechly, Calvin Johnson, Alfred Morris, Eli Manning. Bergeron Warner, Desmond Trufant, Monte Ball, Bakari Rambo, Matt Scott, Kenyon Barner, Brad Sorensen, Colin Klein, Robert Woods, DeAndre Hopkins, Sheldon Richardson, Starley Otui, Denarius Moore, Jake Locker. Got an orange Keenan Allen, $2.99. Yeah, I'll recap them. Demarius Thomas, blue, $99. Mini Manti Te'o, J.J. Watt, die cut, not numbered. Antonio Brown, Cecil Shorts, Jamal Charles, Jason Pierre-Paul, Jordy Nelson, Julio Jones, and Mike Williams. Got a Rex Burkhead, Alec Ogletree, DJ Harper, Quentin Patton, Andre Ellington, Zach Ertz, Tyler Eifert, Jonathan Banks, Brandon Jenkins, Joseph Randle, Mike Glennon. Got a red Corey Fuller, the Lions, $1.99. Nick Foles, Tony Romo, Ryan Swope, Brandon Weeden. We got our last hit, I believe. There's Bakari's Mingo Mini, and the last hit is Dante Jones. I believe that's going to the Packers. Picked up the Packers. Ash B, 9903. Nice hit. Tony Romo, Moore, Locker, Hayden, Revis, Stevie Johnson, and Jermaine Gresham. Got 3 more packs here. No problem. Starley Otui, Alec Okafor, Deion Jordan, Giovanni Bernard, Eddie Lacy, Rogers, Michael, Chris Gregg, Chris Harper, Aaron Mallett, Logan Ryan, Sharif Floyd, Earl Thomas, Brian Arakpo. Got a red Tyler Bray to $1.99. CJ Spiller, Jonathan Banks Mini, and EJ Manuel Sparkle. That's nice. Too bad that wasn't auto. Nice card. Sean McCoy, Aaron Rodgers, Roddy White, Darrell Washington, Earl Thomas, Arakpo, and Foles. Philip Lutzenkirchen, Kerwin Williams, Cordell Patterson, Ryan Nassib, Xavier Rhodes, Geno Smith, Jarvis Jones, Nicole Roby, Tyrann Mathieu, Le'Veon Bell, Aaron Dobson, Landry Jones, Stephen Ridley, Torrey Smith, Gold Chase Thomas, $3.99. Drew Brees, Sheem Green, and a mini Brandon Jenkins. It's going to the Redskins too. S. Rayleigh with the mini auto. Andrew Luck, Von Miller, Nix, Cobb, Martin, Tony Gonzalez, Aldon Smith. And last pack. Luke Jokel, Eric Reed, David Amerson, TJ McDonald, Kenny Vaccaro, Stedman Bailey, Connor Vernon, Kevin Minter, Geno Smith, Jarvis Jones, Nicole Roby, and gold, Denard Robinson, $3.99. Frank Gore, Kyle Rudolph, Joseph Fourier, Adrian Peterson, Chris Craig is a little one, Ryan Tannehill, die cut number, Peterson, Breeze, Jaquiz Rogers, DeMarco Murray, Brandon Marshall, CJ Spiller, and Brandon Weeden. Those are all the packs, so I'll go over the hits again. Okay. We got a collegiate running back David Allen, off the random for that, going to UCLA. Alright, we got the Brandon Jenkins mini auto, Detone Jones auto, on card. Joseph Fourier, auto. Mike Williams, out of 50, patch. Jarvis Jones, out of 50. Christian Michael, out of 50. Joseph Fourier, the printing plate, 1 of 1. Nice. Brandon Jenkins, Matt Elam, and the DeMarco Murray patch. So, let me get this stuff ready to random this card. Okay. Just take a minute to get that ready. You got your guys' names all written down on the spreadsheet. Okay. I got the desktop up there. You guys see the desktop? Okay, let's see if I can make this bigger. Alright, everybody's in there. Whatever spots. If you bought one team, you're in there one time. If you bought 7 teams, you're in there 7 times. We go ahead and randomize it 5 times. Whoever on top gets the auto. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and last time 5. It's going out to DJP. Alright, you got the David Allen auto. There you go. That's yours, DJP. Alright, I appreciate it. I'll be putting this up on YouTube, and I'll be getting your cards out tomorrow. I'm going to go through them tonight. Be getting them out tomorrow. And if you're interested in that two box basketball break, just let me know. All right, thanks.